portes una joguina i gent la valora i al valorar-ho et donen un tiquet. D'aquest tiquet hi havia la taula verda, que era la que hi havia millor estat, la taula groga, que és la del mig-mig, la taula vermella, que és la que no està gaire bé. O sigui que tu pots agafar el que vulguis, depèn del color que tinguis.
Just take a shaker, make it me. Won't get over the down, 'cause it's just like that on mine. If it's 4 o'clock in the morning, I think I'm on the night to shake your whole shit. Wish it was you. Gotta get a cab of secret, 'cause that's where we're at. Gotta get the kind of Beatles, 'cause they're not sad. But I won't get over it now, 'cause it's half done on the shout. It could be 4 o'clock in the morning, could be wishing on the side. I got a shit like I was never on the forest town.
My baby's always dancing and wouldn't be a bad thing, but I don't get no loving, and that's no lie. We spent the night in Frisco at every kind of disco. From that night I kissed our love goodbye. Don't blame it on the sunshine, don't blame it on the moonlight, don't blame it on the good times, blame it on the boogie. Don't blame it on the sunshine, I don't blame it on the moonlight, I don't blame it on the good times, blame it on the boogie. That nasty boogie bugs me, but somehow it has drugged me. Spellbound rhythm gets me on my feet. I changed my life completely, I seen the lightning lead me. My baby just can't take her eyes off me. I don't blame it on the sunshine, I don't blame it on the moonlight, I don't blame it on the good times, blame it on the boogie. Don't you blame it on the sunshine, don't blame it on the moonlight, I don't blame it on the good times, blame it on the boogie. Woo! I just can't control my feet. 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 Sunshine, I don't blame it on the moonlight, I don't blame it on the good times, I blame it on the boogie. I don't blame it on the sunshine, I don't blame it on the moonlight, I don't on the good times, blame it on the boogie. This magic music grooves me, that dirty rhythm fools me. The devil's got them to me. Through this dance, I'm full of funky fever. A fire burns inside me. Boogie's got me in a super trance. I don't blame it on the sunshine, I don't blame it on the moonlight, don't blame it on the good times, I blame it on the boogie. Don't you blame it, sunshine, don't blame it on the moonlight, don't blame it on the good times, I blame it on the boogie. Sunshine, moonlight, yeah, good times, boogie. You just got the sunshine, yeah, moonlight, good times, boogie. Don't you blame it, sunshine, you just got the moonlight, you just wanna good times, yeah. Oh, blame it on yourself. Sunshine.
got something I want to say. All the things that you say and do, girl, don't you know that they're not my way? I don't like what you're running after. It's not me that you're thinking of. You forget what we found together. You forget what we found was love. The light in your eyes is faded, and your voice has another tone. I have cried all my tears already. Once again, I am all alone.
Fantàstic, i per tant, jo crec que mereixem de tots un fort aplaudiment per aquest camí al Santiago que han fet.
Bé, avui és el dia gran de la festa, han vingut 9 polles de fora i Sant Celoni, que són 10, i el motiu de la trobada és, com sempre, doncs, fer la trobada gegantera per la festa major, i ara fem una cercavila que surt des de la plaça de la Vila i anem directament cap a la Rocada, que és el lloc on hi ha tota la resta de la gent del poble, i la intenció doncs, és fer festa i fer una moguda ja de bon matí per al poble. Aquest agost passat vàrem estar a Galícia i la nostra intenció era fer els 160 últims quilòmetres que van des del Cebreiro fins a Santiago amb els dos gegants, amb el Martí i la Maria del Puig, i finalment vàrem poder fer aquesta fita que va ser per nosaltres un record inolvidable per les vivències que vàrem tenir, per la gent que vàrem conèixer i per l'experiència tant personal com de colla, que va ser una cosa fora de sèrie. A nivell de colles és la primera vegada que es fa, i la veritat és que compartir una experiència com aquesta amb gent de Galícia va ser una cosa molt espectacular i molt maca.
La Rocada jo crec que persegueix moltes ganes de passar-s'ho bé i sobretot desprèn com molta energia la gent quan està allà sobre el burro, ho dona tot. I cauen i tornen a pujar i és una prova molt dura.
La Rocada persegueix gravar vídeos domèstics per les grans trompades, principalment, i intentant no fer-se massa mal, suposo.